Today we're staying at the MGM Grand. Now the MGM Grand is a huge property, and in another video I did a complete walkthrough. It's about a 20-minute tour of the entire property. I'll drop a link here if you want to go for a walk with me. Check-in was just the way I like it, fast and easy. There's a very convenient store just outside the elevators. In the elevator area is a large fountain. Stick around towards the end of this video for a very good security tip. On the 26th floor, there's a nice view from the elevator area. Today we'll be looking at an executive king suite. Large hallways, looks like fairly new carpet. We're in 26105. The first thing when you walk in, you're going to notice this lamp. I think it's an old Hollywood style lamp. I'm not positive, but it's really cool. The furniture all looks fairly new. Very nice looking room. There's a decent little entryway that separates you from the hallway noise. We got a very nice strip view. The king size bed's very comfortable. The end tables also have plenty of drawer space in them. The bedroom and living areas are partially separated by a desk with a TV mounted on top. It's a large flat screen and the desk has plenty of drawer space. You have a typical mini bar cabinet, glasses, and an ice bucket. What really makes this room a success is this bathroom with a large vanity, dual sinks and dual mirrors, very well lit, and everything sparkles like it's brand new. I didn't see a single flaw in this bathroom. Everything looked shiny and brand new. Mindy and I enjoyed this room very much. It's very spacious, very clean, and very comfortable. I promised you a security tip. Here we go. At first glance, this door doesn't appear to have a deadlock. However, if you read the fine print, it'll tell you to flip this handle up, and that engages your deadbolt. Mindy and I recommend this suite. We enjoyed our stay in this room a lot. Now, as for the casino, it's a very busy place, and it's a very kid-friendly hotel. Probably mostly because of all the swimming pools it has. has a huge swimming pool area, and if you're here during the summer, you will see kids and adults walking through the casino carrying inner tubes for the lazy river. So if you have kids, it's a great place to stay. They have a good-sized food court with a lot of quick meal options: chicken, pizza, hamburgers, and Starbucks. As always, thank you for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please do.